Okay, folks, and welcome back here on Sun Sports as we get ready for the second period. Thank you, Bob, for that first intermission update. As we're back, and the score is Atlanta 2 and Tampa Bay nothing as we go to the second. Paul, what do you think of the first period? Well, Rick, I think the Lightning have to get more shots on goal as well as play a bit harder because they were not able to beat Hedberg. Yeah, they need to. Let's see if they can find a way to get some more shots on goal.
We're ready for the face-off. Here comes Holik. Passed over to Kovalchuk. Out comes Vincent Lecavalier. Here comes Vinny Lecavalier. Fires it. He scores.
Martin St. Louis. First goal this season.
If the early lead comes to a single goal, this team needs to get it together. Well, that's what you usually do between periods. The other team that's looking a lot more focused. Behind the net. Ahead to White. Now he moves it to center. Kozlov comes in offside. They're getting ready for the face-off. Grabbed by Tanaski. Dumps the puck in. Push him hard. Hedberg hangs on for the whistle. Bob Hartley brings an impressive track record to this young Thrashers squad.
Jim Hartley successfully coached in the Quebec and American Hockey League before leading the Colorado Avalanche to a cup in 2001.
Here comes Ruchin. He dumps it. Kozlov. Now passed over to Craig. Passed ahead to Ruchin. Now it's passed to White. Front of the net. And he hangs on for a faceoff. The ref is signaling for the faceoff. The faceoff goes to Atlanta. Over to Shipman. Out comes Martin St. Louis. And he moves it into the attacking zone. Here comes St. Louis. Intercepted. Ilya Kovalchuk, when the game really opens up, he's the best player on the ice. He picks off the puck. Shoot from the slot. Denis freezes the puck. He showed good reflexes on that save. That was a great one, that's for sure. The puck is about to be dropped. The faceoff goes to the Thrashers. Slater. Here's Havler. He couldn't clear the puck. Offside. About to drop the puck. Another face-off win for the Thrashers. One-timer. Bolton. Terran. Now a pass up to Roulette. He moves it into the attacking zone. To Brad Richards. To Ward. Scooped up by Tampa. To Roulette. Now he just gets it deep. And it's passed to Slater. Now it's passed to Bolton. To Cleese. Shoots it quickly. That's blocked. Here's Brad Richards. He takes it to center. Here comes Brad Richards. Into the corner. One-time shot. Cleese. To Ranger. And he just gets the puck deep. Picked up by Boyle. He passes it to Lecavalier. one-on-one battle. One-time shot. He scores. That's his
Martin Saint-Louis. Second goal tonight. Second goal this season.
St. Louis was a force at Vermont. Led his school in scoring for 4 straight years. Face-off won by Grant. Kozlov. The ref indicates a delayed call. Into the corner he goes. He's getting called for high sticking.
Chris Gratton. 2 minutes for high sticking.
Atlanta will go on the power play once again. They weren't able to capitalize on their first power play. Let's see if they can do it here. Fires the shot. He scores!
Ilya Kovalchuk. Power play goal. Second goal this season.
Atlanta is on fire late in the second. This will give them a big boost to start the third period. To Hossa. Here comes Hossa. Cut in front. One-timer. Cleared by O'Brien. Tampa wins the race and beats out the icing call. To McCarthy. Here's Marion Hossa, who started the scoring tonight. And a shot on goal. O'Brien will get the gate for tripping.
Shane O'Brien.
Now he'll get to watch
2 minutes for tripping.
Atlanta has converted once already, and they're getting another power play chance here. Face-off won by Taylor. Here's Tate. He'll just move the puck into the neutral zone. Goes behind his net. Over to Maya. Saved by Hedberg. And he hangs on for a face-off. That's not exactly how a power play should work. Good thing the goalie's focused. What a great save. We're ready for the face-off. Tampa Bay wins another draw. Throws it at the net, and he denies the equalizer here late in the second. Nice save. Atlanta has their big guns going tonight.
And Jim, they're a team that'll run up the score if they're not challenged physically. They're getting way too much time with the puck out there.
They're getting ready for the face-off. Tampa Bay wins another draw. Perrin. Under 2 minutes to go in the second period. One-timer into the slot, and he hangs onto the puck for the whistle. Fingers.
Tobias Enstrom.
Pace where the play is moving so well. He adjusts to make the most of his opportunity.
The face-off goes to the Thrashers. Kozlov, he gets laid out. Richards scoops left, saved by Hedberg. Here's Brad Richards. Here's Martin Saint-Louis. It won't show on the scoreboard, but he's had a good game. That'll wrap up the second. 3-2 is the score as we head to the break.
Okay, Paul, let's take a look at the second period stats. Shots are 12-10 Atlanta. Second period shots were 6-5 Tampa Bay. Hits were are 9-4 Tampa Bay. Face-offs are 17-9 Atlanta. Penalty minutes, Tampa Bay has 6 minutes. Atlanta has no minutes. Power play, Atlanta is 1 for 2 with the man advantage, working on their third opportunity right now. Tampa Bay is 0 for 0 with the man advantage. And now we send you over to Bobby Taylor in the studio for our second period intermission recap. Bobby? Thank you, Rick and Paul. Let's get a quick look at the second period recap. The Lightning down 2-0, and here's what came of that. And now the Lightning have the puck. Prospel over to LeCavalier. LeCavalier plays it over for St. Louis. St. Louis fires a shot, and he scores! Marty St. Louis gets the goal, and the Lightning lead 1-0. Just cut the lead in half, 2-1. Marty St. Louis. Oh my, what a goal! And that was Martin St. Louis, his first of the season, from Vincent LeCavalier and Vaclav Prospel at 1:10. And the Lightning and St. Louis would not be done yet. Prospel over to the wing for LeCavalier. LeCavalier over to St. Louis. St. Louis firing one, and a shot, he scores! Marty St. Louis does it again, and the Lightning have tied the game. It's 2-2. Oh, Marty St. Louis, what a goal. Well, that answers that. Martin St. Louis with his second of the night and second of the season from Vincent LeCavalier and Vaclav Prospel at 13:31. But the Thrashers would come right back on a power play. And now Kovalchuk, or the Thrashers, Holik wins the draw. Over to, now the puck is loose. Look out, Kovalchuk fires one and scores! Ilya Kovalchuk gets the goal on the power play, and the Thrashers go back on top at 3-2. That was Ilya Kovalchuk, his second of the season on the power play, an unassisted goal at the 15:09 mark, or 15:16, or 15:06, I beg your pardon. There were 2 penalties in the period. First, Chris Gratton got 2 minutes for high sticking at 14:36, which led to the Kovalchuk goal. And then right after that, Shane O'Brien received 2 minutes for tripping at 17 minutes. Well, Rick and Paul will have the third period and more for you. When we come back, the score is Atlanta 3 and Tampa Bay 2. Back with more in a moment here on Sun Sports.